BPL 2025 Chattogram Challengers team full and final squad. Friends, please subscribe my channel for next update video. BPL 2025 Chattogram Challengers team best squad. Number 1 Mushfiqur Rahim. Number 2 Dinas Sandimal. Number 3 South Shakir. Number 4 Soumya Sarkar. Number 5 Khuzdil Shah. Number 6 Noor Ahmed. Number 7 Tanjim Hussain Tamim. Number 8 Kushal Mendes. Number 9 Pritam Kumar. Number 10 Nazmul Islam Apu. Number 11 Nahidul Jaman. Number 12 Shohidul Islam. Number 13 Iftikhar Ahmed. Number 14 Karpis Champar. Number 15 Jaman Khan. Number 16 Ruel Hossain. Number 17 Shoykot Ali. Number 18 Imranuzzaman. Friends, please subscribe my channel for next update video. Thanks for watching.